Right, okay. Good evening all of you. Right, I think you can hear clear me. Yes or no? Alia? The persons who are in Zoom, can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Right now, can you hear me? Check whether now can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Right, okay. Right, shall we start the lesson then?
Okay.
I think you can remember what is the lesson we have done last day. What is the lesson? We have done the lesson circle. Yes, right. Today I have brought some question from the lesson what we have learned last day. So shall we go through those questions and we can start the new lesson today, right? Right. This is the question number 1 for you. Find the number of circles in the given figure. Easy questions, right? Quickly you can answer those, right? How many circles are there? Yes, how many?
30.
No, I am asking circles, not half circles or the ellipse shapes also there, no? So I am asking only circles in given figure. How many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 circles are there, no? So you have to get answer as 10, right? Then next question. Here, according to the figure, name a point on the circle, name a point outside the circle. You can find the answer quickly, then tell me the answer. Right? What is the point on the circle? You have to name the point on the circle. Shall we do the questions then? First one, name a point on the circle. What are the points on the circle? They ask only one point, but there are 2 points on the circle. Right, Alia? Yes, C and D. Those are the points on the circle, but you have to name only one. That is enough. Right? Then second one, name a point outside the circle. Yes, only one point is there, that is point E, right? We'll move to next question. Here again easy question. How many circles are there in this picture? How many circles are there in this picture? You can count. Yes, only 3 circles are there. You can't take half circles. This part also, that is not a circular part, right? Then next question. Here name points which are there is a mistake, right? I'll correct that. Name 2 points which are on both circle. Try to find. Name 2 points which are on both circles.
A and G.
Yes, A and G. Those are on the circle. Right? Next question. Right. In the given figure, what is the letter outside of the circle? The next one, what is the letter on the circle?
The letter that is outside the circle is B,
Yeah.
and the one that is
On the circle is
C.
C. Yes. The letter outside of the circle you can find outside B. Then they ask what is the letter on the circle is C. Then letter A. What can you say about letter A? That is inside the circle, no? Is that correct? Letter A we can find inside the circle, right? Right. Next one. Name 2 objects can be used to draw circular shapes. We have discussed that one also in previous day. Name 2 objects can be used to draw circular shapes. What are the objects we can use? That day we have used a coin. Then you can name.
A bottle.
Yes, a bottle. Another one. We can use bottle lid. Then bangles. Right? What are the other things? Saucer, plates. So many things you can name. Right? Ali, are you okay now? Have you noted those? Right. Then question number 2. How many circles are there in this figure? You have to count. Yes, 10 circles are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and larger one. 10 circles are there. Okay. This is the last question you have to answer. Which letters indicate positions on the circle? Which letters indicate positions on the circle?
Q and T.
Yes, Q and T are on the circle. We check whether what happened to other letters also. Here R and U. What can you say about R and U? Yes, they are inside the circle. Then P and S. What can you say about P and S? Those are in outside the circle. So I have taken these questions from past papers. You can find out very easy questions like this from past papers, right? So you can identify circle lesson is very easy one and you can score the marks writing the answers for these questions, right? Then shall we move to the today lesson? What is that? Place value, right? Okay. Alia? Right. Shall you move to new lesson today? Right. Place value. Have you learnt about this in grade 5? In grade 5, I think you have learned, no? Place value? Right. We'll see here. When writing numbers we most often use the Hindu-Arabic number system. What is that? Hindu-Arabic number system. Are you heard about that? What is Hindu-Arabic numbers? What are those? The numbers which are using day-to-day life, no? We are using those number system, no? Right. So, how many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how many numbers?
9.
No. Again count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Not 9 numbers are there. With 0, there are 10 numbers, no? Is that okay? Right. You can note down this then, right? Put a star and note down this one. When writing numbers, we most often use the Hindu-Arabic number system. When writing numbers, we most often use the Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, I think time is enough now, no? Have you finished? Note down that.
I am now writing system.
It's okay. Right. I think finish now, no? I can see you, then I can identify what are you doing. Right? Next part. Right? In this system, the 10 digits. For those numbers, we are called another word. What is that? We are called digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are used to write numbers. By using these 10 numbers, we can write lots of numbers, no? Right? You can note down this one also, otherwise you can forget this. Last time you told me there are 9 digits. So, you can note down this one also. In this system, the 10 digits, you can highlight that one also, 10 digits. What are the digits you can found? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right, I think now you have finished, no?
Yes.
Yes, right. Next one, right? We have to identify place values, right? You have already learned those things, but I will explain, right? Here we have two numbers. How we can read this one? 35, right? 35. Here from which hand side to which hand side we are writing numbers. Now what is this hand? This hand is right hand. From right hand side to left hand side we are giving place values. Is that okay?
Yes.
Right. Now this first place, what we call ones place, we are giving name as ones place, or otherwise we can say that one as unit place also. In question sometimes you can get the word as unit place, sometimes we will get ones place, right? This is the place value is ones place. Then next one you have tens place, right? Now what can you say about 5? Digit in the ones place. 5 is the digit in the ones place. Then you can tell me now what is the digit in the tens place?
3.
Yes, digit in the tens place is 3. If I am asking what is the value of 5? Or otherwise if I ask what is the value of the number in ones place? I am not asking the digit. What is the value of the digit in ones place?
5.
Yes, 5. 1 times 5, it makes 5. Okay. I will write in the board and show you. Now you have 35. How you can make this one? 30 plus 5. Unit place value is the 5. Then tens place value is how much then? 30. Yes. Right? Then you can identify. Again I will explain. This is the ones place or unit place. Then this one we explain as tens place. Digit in the ones place or digit in the unit place is 5 and digit in the tens place is 3. Then again you have to identify value of the digit in the ones place is 5 and value of digit in the tens place is 30. Right? Is that okay? Is that clear for you? Right. Now what is this one? In grade 5 also you have learned. We call this one abacus, no? I think you know how to represent numbers in an abacus, right? Let us represent 35 on an abacus, right? Here ones place you have to represent here, then tens place you have to represent here. Ones place, what is the value? You have 5. Then in abacus, how many rods we have to include? 5 rods, no? In ones place we have to include 5 rods. Then for tens place how many? 3. Right? I think easy for you that because we have learned in grade 5. Shall we note down this one also? Right? Right? You have to write the spellings correctly. Ones place and tens place you have to separate this one. That is 2 words, right? You have to separate this one. Tens place 2 words. Right. I will give you 5 minutes for you. I think that's enough for you. Note down this one. Alia, are you still writing?
No, teacher, I'm finished.
Right, okay. Shall we move to next part then?
Yeah.
Right. This is the exercise what you have in textbook, right? Do you have your textbook? Or you can refer this table, right? Complete the following table. There are 4 numbers 63, 76, 40, 88. Digit in the ones place. Then you have to find the digit in the tens place. Value represented by the digit in the ones place. Value represented by the digit in the tens place. I have explained this before, right? First one we will do together. Then there are another 3 questions you can do alone, right? 63. Right? Digit in the ones place. What is the value? Sorry, what is the digit or what is the number? That is 3, right? Digit in the tens place is 6. Then value represented by the digit in the ones place, again 3. Then value represented by the digit in the tens place, that is how much? 60. Right. Remaining 3 questions you can do alone. Finally, I will discuss. Okay. Right. Now you can answer.
Shall I draw it in the book?
Yes, you have to draw. Right, do you need more time?
Yes, teacher.
Right, okay. While you have finished, you can raise your hand, then I can identify you have finished. Arya, now have you finished?
No, teacher.
Alright, okay, I'll give the time.
Finish, teacher.
Right, okay, we'll discuss the answers then. Next one, 76. Right, what is the digit in the ones place? That is 6. Then digit in the tens place? 7. Then represent, value represented by the digit in the ones place? Again 6. And value represented by the digit in the tens place, that is 70. You can mark your answers. Right, then next one, 40. Digit in the ones place. What is the digit? 0. Digit in the tens place? 4. Right, value represented by the digit in the ones place? 0. Yes, then value represented by the digit in the tens place? How much? 40. The last question, digit in the ones place is 8. Then digit in the tens place again 8. Then value represented by the digit in the ones place. What is the value? Yes, 8. Then value represented by the digit in tens place? 80. Right. I think now you can understand clearly what are the values, what are the place values. Okay. Right. Shall we move to the next part? Right. Read this one. The place value corresponding to the position of each digit in a number from right to left is respectively 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. I have explained this, no? The values are increased from ones place to tens place, then hundreds place, then thousandth place, 10,000, then after that you have million. Likewise, you can count up to how much? Infinite we call, no? Right. No need for those things, right? Up to here you have to learn them, right? I think you can note down this one. That is important for you, right? The place value corresponding to the position of each digit in a number from right to left, right? So you have to understand that the values are increasing from right to left, respectively 1, 10, 100,000 and 10,000, etc. Right? Quickly note down this one also. Right, okay. Right. We'll move to next part. Right. Read this one.
Accordingly, when two successive
Accordingly, when two successive digits of a number are considered, the place value corresponding to the position of the digit on the left is 10 times. You have to identify this one and you have to, remember that 10 times the place value corresponding to the position of the digit in the right. Okay, what is they explain, right? When we consider the values of ones place is 1, then tens place value is 10, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, likewise, right? When you consider two corresponding place values, that is when you consider 1 and 10, right? Two consecutive place values, what happen? When it goes from right hand side to left hand side, what happen? Here first unit place, that is 10 times of what? Tens place. Tens place, when you consider tens place, 1 times tens, no, you can obtain 10. Then 100, how you can obtain? 100, 10 times 10 times 10. Here 10 times 10 you can obtain 100. Here again 1 time 10 you can obtain 10, right? 10 times 10, 100. Then again 10 times 100, 1000. Likewise, right? Again go to that part. Accordingly, when two successive digits of a number are considered, the place value corresponding to the position of the digit on the left is 10 times the place value corresponding to the position of the digit in right. Have you identified that? Right? So, you have to remember that one also, right? Next one, you have to further learn about place values, right? Now, you have to learn about places up to 10,000, right? Here, now this one, digit in ones place you can identify, then tens place also I have explained. Then after that, what is the digit you can find? After tens place you can find out what is the place value? Tens place, after that you can identify hundreds place, then thousands place, then finally you can find out 10,000s place. Okay. Right. Then again you have to identify the digits, right? Here 4 digit in ones place, 2 is the digit in the which place? Tens place, na? Yes. 5 digit in the hundreds place, 7 is the digit in the thousands place, and finally 6 is the digit in the 10,000 place. Likewise, can you tell me what is the value of ones place? The digit in the ones place. What is the value of the digit in ones place?
4.
Yes, that is correct. Next one. What is the value of the digit in the tens place? How much?
20.
20. Yes, that's correct. Next one. What is the value of the digit in the hundreds place?
500.
Yes, 500. Then what is the value of the digit in thousands place?
7,000.
7,000. Then last one, what is the value of the digit in the 10,000 place?
6,000.
60,000, no? Not 6,000. 60,000. Is that okay? 10,000 place, no? 10,000 into 6. Then 60,000. Is that okay? Yes, that is clear for you, no? Right. Then look at this one. How we can represent this one in abacus, right? What is the value? 67,524. Now we are going to represent on an abacus, right? So according to the place values, we have to arrange the abacus. Now ones place here, tens place here, then here you have hundreds place, next you have thousands place, finally you can have 10,000 place. According to the values, you have to add the rods. Here ones place, how many rods you have to include? The number 4 is there, so you have to add how many rods? 4 rods. Then tens place, you have 2. Then you have to include 2 rods. Likewise, 10,000 place you have 6. Then you have to include how many rods? 6. Right? Then I will ask a question from you. Right? How many maximum number of rods you can include each place? How many maximum number of rods you can include each place? No, maximum number. Not according to this number. I am asking if you have another number. Maximum number of rods for each 9, no? For each we can include up to 9, no? Can we include 10 rods here for one place? No. For tens place, can we include 10 rods? No. Then maximum number is 9. Is that clear? Yes. Right? Shall we note down this one also? Because you have to write the spellings correctly. That's why I am asking you to write, right? 10,000s. Here you should add S here. Thousands place. Again you have to have not thousand, thousands S. Hundreds. Then again you have to S. Tens, ones. Like that you have to identify how you can write the words also. So shall we note down this one also? Right? Right.
Should I draw the abacus?
Yes, you have to draw. Right, Talia? Have you finished?
No, teacher.
Right now, I think enough time. Are you still doing?
Yes, teacher.
Are you drawing abacus now?
Yes.
Alright, okay, finish that. Right, shall we move to the next part?
Okay.
Right. Next one, you have an exercise. This one also I have taken from your textbook. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. I think already you have the textbook. Shall we answer these questions?
Okay.
Right. Question number 1. In the number 99,601, what is the value represented by 9, which is position 4th from the right? Again read the question. What is the value represented by 9, which is position 4th from the right? That means 1, 2, 3, 4. This value.
Thousands.
What is the value?
Thousands.
This one they are asking. Then they ask value. What is the value represented by 9, which is position from, which is position 4th from the right? They are asking value. Then is that 1000?
9,000.
Yes, 9,000. Value is 9,000. Right. Then second question. What is the value, what is the place value corresponding to the position of 0? Now they are asking this one. About this 0. What is the place value corresponding to the position of 0? Read carefully and understand what are they asking. What is the place value? Now they are asking place value corresponding to the position of 0. When we consider place values, here ones place, then tens place, hundreds place, 9 is in thousands place and 10,000s place. Then 0 is in tens place. So you have to write the answer as, for this one, tens place. Right? Then third question. What is the value represented by 0? When they are asking about 0, what is the value represented by 0?
0.
Yes, 0. Answer is 0. Then last question. What is the value represented by 9, which is position 5th from the right? Again read the question carefully. What is the value represented by 9, which is position 5th from the right? From the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the value?
90,000.
90,000. That is the answer. Right? In that exercise, there are another questions you have to answer. Right? I'll discuss those questions in next day. So, as homework, you have to complete those, and also I will give another questions like today from past papers. Right? So, you have to go through the exercise and do those questions when you are joining next time. Right? So, tell me what the things what are we are learning today. What are we are learned today? Are you clear for you? or anything do you have to ask?
Everything is clear.
Right, okay. Then can you do the exercise?
Yes.
Okay, right. Then shall we join next time to the class? Then you can complete the homework and come, right? So, for today, I'll end the class. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you are welcome.
God bless you.
Okay.